Welcome to another live stream, everyone. The Bitcoin bulls are trying desperately to show some signs of life, but really struggling to gain their footing and push higher. The lower time frame downtrend hasn't been broken yet, which means the midterm downtrend also obviously hasn't been broken yet. So we may see prices push a little bit lower yet, but it's not all bad news either. There's still a chance we are just doing typical support retests before carrying on higher. But you know what? Time will tell. The 4-hour chart still looks okay to me. At this time, at least, that it really seems to me like this chart wants to test a little bit lower yet. But there's also some interesting signs that are starting to form on a handful of my indicators that suggest that not all hope is lost at this time. One thing that I ended up mentioning yesterday, guys, was this bearish fib pull that I have, and I brought up the ALGO master. It confirmed that bearish trend, that bearish fib pull where we had my bearish Stuber fib in this purple box and the bearish swing fail zone in this red box here. But notice that recently we've had an update here, and the ALGO master is now actually agreeing with my bullish setup. So as I was talking about yesterday in my charts on my stream, that I was targeting these prices that are just a little bit lower. So that is something to consider at this point. Trendmaster, nothing has changed there. Volume delta indicator showing the point of control. Liquidations indicator, I want to talk about this a little bit as well in shortly here. AI charting tools, not much to go over there. I will bring that up as well. And the weekly chart, guys, I have a few concerns about the weekly chart, mostly from a timing perspective at this point, but I will get into that shortly. And as I mentioned with Bitcoin dominance, my friends, yesterday I was talking about the Bitcoin dominance chart, still in a beautiful downtrend, which is typically quite bullish for the market, especially altcoins. So I love to see this. So for now, I still have to lean toward finding bullish trade setups rather than FOMOing short into some potentially strong support levels across the market. Aster in particular is on an absolute moon mission, you guys, with yesterday's long currently sitting over a 500% profit, which was actually shared in real time in my private Telegram channel as well. So love to see that that has turned into a beautiful running position, you guys. I also want to take look at a handful of other coins, basically Ethereum, Solana, Hype, AVAX, Doge, Troll, Mask. I really want to dive into a whole bunch of charts here, which I am going to do over on my new YouTube channel, the crypto trading channel. Much like yesterday, I'm going to do my deep dive analysis into the charts on the new channel. So do me and yourself a favor and head over to the new live stream. I just need a few minutes to switch over. I will share the link here in the chat for you guys. I will head over there in just a couple of minutes. Let me get this link in the chat for those of you who are with me right here. So we're just like yesterday and going forward the next week or so, going to be starting over here and then moving over to the new YouTube channel over there, which will be the full-time live stream channel at the end of the month. So yeah, like I said, do yourself and myself a favor, head over to that new stream. The link is in the chat there. I will see you guys very shortly. See you there.